maaga good morning sa ating lahat. Ayan, maaga morning drive around Abu Dhabi. Ayan siya, dahil maaga pa, 7 almost 8 na. Ayan, around Abu Dhabi. So here we go. Wala pang mga gising. Mga workers lang ang gising. Mga amo ay kalak. Anyways, ang pinagkaiba ng Saudi at saka Abu Dhabi ay dito ay open. So, pwede ka maglalakad dyan ng mag-isa at pwede ka magdamit kung anong gusto nyo, pero may mga iba pa din ay may mga katanungan. So pwede ka mag-video anywhere kasi walang bawal. Nakikita nyo, may naglalakad doon, may naglalakad din doon. So ayan, Abu Dhabi. Ngayon, every weekend nandun naman kami sa Al-Ain, malapit sa Dubai. Dahil dalawa ang bahay ng aking amo, doon kami every weekend. So ayan ang Holiday Inn. Kung makikita nyo yung Holiday Inn ng Abu Dhabi, kasi nasa sentro kami ng Abu Dhabi. So malapit kami sa beach. Itong bahay namin is malapit sa beach, as in. So maraming ayan siya, Kuwait Embassy. Oh my goodness, nandito kami sa pinakasentro ng Abu Dhabi ngayon dahil kami ay mag morning drive kasama ang aming driver. Ayan, makikita nyo ang ganda ng mga paligid, as in. So ayan, dahil traffic, so mag-stay muna tayo dito. So ayan ang traffic. Hindi naman siya katagalan ng traffic dito dahil konti lang. Ayan, paalis na. Hindi kasi maano doon kasi maliwanag. So ganito lang. Kita nyo, ayan, maliwanag kasi medyo maaga pa talaga. Kasi maaga pa. So, siya, against the light ang aming camera ngayon. Ayan, ang taxi ng Abu Dhabi. Nakikita nyo, gray. May nakalagay ng taxi sa taas. Kita nyo ang mga paligid. So, paligid-ligid ng puno ng linga. Ayan. Actually, nag-apply ako ng Dubai, pero napunta ako ng Abu Dhabi at yun ang na-hire sa akin. So ngayon, magtitiis ako ng 24 months. Within 24 months, pwede ka na lumabas kung gusto mo makahanap ng panibagong amo, or kung gusto mo naman mag-stay sa iyong amo, ay iyon, pwede ka pa din siya. So ayan siya. Wala lang, morning drive, wala akong kasama dito sa ayan, good morning Abu Dhabi. So makikita nyo, maraming nagtatanong kung bakit ako napunta ng Abu Dhabi instead na sa Hong Kong or sa Macau ako. Yun ang gusto ko walang makakaano, diba? Yun ang gusto ko. Hindi kung man, basta may gusto ako na gusto kong matupad, saka na lang pag nandun na ako. Kaya pag titiis ako ng 24 months, saka na sa panibagong na naman. Sana pagpalain tayo ni Lord at tayo malusog pa rin hanggang 24 months. At ayun, at lagi tayong patnubayan. So hindi ka makakarating sa iyong paparoonan kung hindi ka gagawa ng paraan na magsisimula ka sa step 1. Ayun. Anyway pala, ang Abu Dhabi is a part of the United Arab Emirates. Ang Dubai is a part also of United Arab Emirates. They are one country pero it's different city. Yung Al-Ain is panibagong city rin ng Abu Dhabi. UAE, United Arab Emirates, and
Yes.
Dubai. UAE is part of United Arab Emirates. Then Al Ain is a
Abu
city.
Dhabi is the capital of UAE.
Oh, Abu Dhabi. Oh, see, the
Yes.
information is Abu Dhabi is the capital of UAE. Dubai is a city of UAE.
Mm, this UAE have 7 states.
7 states.
Dubai,
Dubai,
Sharjah,
Sharjah.
Al Quwain, Ras Al Khaimah, Fujairah,
Ah,
or Ajman.
oh. So there are 7 states, but the same UAE all.
Yes.
Oh, part of UAE all.
Yes.
So it's big, the United Arab Emirates than Saudi Arabia.
No. This UAE very small to, Riyadh.
Yeah, I know Riyadh. I worked in Riyadh before.
Yeah, Riyadh is big to Abu Dhabi.
Yeah,
Riyadh is
yeah.
a big city to the Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi is small.
Oh, okay.
This all states,
Mm.
UAE, you have 5 hours, you can go everywhere.
5 hours you can go everywhere. In Riyadh so big. You can go. I don't know how. Because before, if you go to another part of province of Riyadh, it's too far. 1 hour drive.
Here
Mm.
to Dubai, you need 1 hour 30 minutes.
Here, from
Dubai,
here.
yes. Dubai to Sharjah, you need to 30 minutes, 15 minutes.
Mm.
Sharjah to Ajman, 5 minutes. Same.
But
Al Quwain,
mm.
Dubai to Al Quwain, you need 1 hour.
Mm.
Al Quwain to Fujairah, you need 1 hour, 1 hour and a half, like this.
Mm.
They have 7 states.
But it's here in UAE, it's very improved, not the same to Saudi Arabia. Some part it's deserts,
This UAE,
it's very improved.
no, yes, this is
So
very-
many the buildings, but in Riyadh or Saudi Arabia, in little only from the center, only from the city, only you can see the buildings.
Yes, they will develop this country.
Yeah, not the same to Saudi. I don't know to Jeddah.
Saudi is a big country, Saudi
Seems-
is-
I'm thinking Saudi and UAE is bigger than Saudi.
No, Saudi is bigger than UAE.
Oh, see?
You just search in Google
Yeah.
how much is the population of UAE, they will show you.
Oh.
UAE is not bigger than your in my country, my state.
Mm.
UAE is smaller than my state.
Yes, we are smaller. Philippines is very small than to your country. Then your country is, it's bigger. Same to India also,
Yes.
Hi. I'm thinking UAE it's bigger because it's very improved, well developed, not the same to Saudi Arabia. If you go to the city only, then you can see those buildings, beautiful buildings, but in another part all is a residence house. Not like here.
This is all Abu Dhabi. This is Abu Dhabi.
Mm.
This is Abu Dhabi city. Now I'm in the city.
We are in the cities. Manar Abu Dhabi. Oh, have the Filipino supermarket here. It's far. Maybe some Filipino restaurant also here.
Hey,
I don't. Not now. Not now.
when we will go greenhouse with Maria and Jasmine, you will go your restaurant.
But so little the time to go out, sir. We will go out like 9, then we come back at still open.
End of the this end of the month when you will take the salary.
No, I don't like to go sa Filipino now. I didn't miss yet because I'm new. Later soon. I want. Manila. In city.
Manila.